Detroit Mayor Kwame Kilpatrick's federal trial is just days away, and today the judge laid out ground rules on how she wants things to go. 7 Action News investigator Bill Proctor has details on what we can expect. Bill?
The team of defense attorneys in this case and federal prosecutors met with the judge, U.S. District Court Judge Nancy Edmonds, making it clear exactly how she wants the jury selection process to go and the fact that she will be asking questions of the jurors for herself. It was a housekeeping session for the judge and the lawyers, who are all part of one of the biggest corruption cases ever to face Detroit. Former Detroit Mayor Kwame Kilpatrick, his father Bernard Kilpatrick, friend Bobby Ferguson, and former city water chief Victor Mercado were not in court today. All have been indicted for running a criminal enterprise out of City Hall and other charges. Next week, the trial officially begins with the judge, defense lawyers, and prosecutors questioning potential jurors. When they whittle down the jury pool to 66 people, the defense will be allowed to reject 28 jurors without having to give a reason. Prosecutors will do the same, but can only reject 14 potential jurors. Attorney Jim Thomas represents Kilpatrick. He says that he's concerned that there may not be enough African Americans in the jury pool.
Well, we've raised issues regarding the jury selection process. It looks as if there is some question as to whether or not there's a representative sample of African Americans in our jury selection process in the past. We'll have to wait and see how this plays out. I mean, the issue is teed up, and if it's there, then we're going to argue it.
The judge explained further that once the jury is selected, they will take a break, but the very next day, opening statements from both sides will be heard. And no, she's not thinking about limiting the length of time those statements take. We will have all the details for you as the trial begins on September 6th.